If you want to maintain your privacy on Skype by hiding your online status, follow these simple steps to adjust your settings. This guide will help you manage your visibility effectively. Step 1. Open Skype. Launch the Skype application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Click on your profile picture or the three-dot menu in the top left corner of the Skype window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open the Settings panel. Step 3. Select Privacy. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Privacy option. This section allows you to manage who can see your online status and other privacy-related settings. Step 4. Adjust online status. Look for the Show My Presence to option. Here, you can choose who can see your online status. You can select Nobody to hide your status from everyone or customize it according to your preferences. Step 5. Save changes. After making your selection, ensure that you save any changes if prompted. Exit the Settings menu and your online status will now be hidden according to your chosen settings. By following these steps, you can easily control your online presence on Skype and enjoy a more private experience.